Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we'll be tackling about Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz AI is an innovative video creation platform that leverages artificial intelligence to help users produce engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Now let's start with the beginner guide. Go to Vidnoz AI and sign up for a free account. This will give you access to their various features. After logging in, click on the option to create a new project. Next, select a template. Browse through over 2,800 available video templates that fit your content needs, such as tutorials, promotions, or social media posts. This time, let's just have this education template right here. After that, choose your avatar. Choose from more than 1,200 human-like AI avatars that will narrate your video. If you prefer a personal touch, you can upload a photo to create a custom avatar. Now add your script in the provided text box and put the script you want the avatar to speak. Aim for a script length of about 1 to 3 minutes for optimal video duration. Let's just put the script about climate change. Once done with that, customize voice and settings. Select from a variety of voices over 1,240 and different accents and languages. You can also adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the voice if you want the avatar to sound like you. You can upload a voice sample for voice cloning, available in the paid version. Next, edit your video using the editing tools. Once your avatar and script are set, move to the editing screen. In here, you can add backgrounds, images, text, shapes, and stickers using the drag and drop interface. Include subtitles for accessibility. Create dynamic scenes with different avatars and backgrounds for each part of your video. Now preview your video. Review the video to ensure everything looks good. Make any necessary adjustments, and once satisfied, click the Generate button. The rendering process is usually quick, and you can then download or share your video directly. Vidnoz AI provides a free version for creating videos with basic features, while premium plans unlock advanced functionalities like enhanced AI tools, more templates, and custom avatars. This platform allows users to produce professional quality videos easily, without needing extensive equipment or expertise. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.